In situ. In situ refers to the group of oil sands technologies used to recover bitumen that is too deep beneath the surface to be mined and too viscous to flow on its own. There are four main technologies used in situ production: steam-assisted gravity drainage, or SAGD, and cyclic steam simulation, or CSS, use steam as a means of reducing viscosity and producing bitumen. Toe-to-heel air injection, or tie, involves igniting air in a vertical well to melt and recover bitumen. And Vapex uses solvents to increase the viscosity of bitumen for recovery. In situ production is required for approximately 80% of the bitumen found in the oil sands, and the most commonly used technology for this production is SAGD. SAGD was invented in 1978 by Dr. Roger Butler, a chemical engineer from England. SAGD works by drilling two horizontal wells beneath the surface, parallel to each other, about 4 to 6 meters apart. The top well is injected with steam that heats the surrounding bitumen, reducing its viscosity. This is the steam-assisted part of the name. The less viscous bitumen then drains into the bottom well with the help of gravity and is pumped to the surface. This is the gravity drainage part of the name. The produced bitumen is mixed with hydrocarbons to further reduce its viscosity and is then stored in storage tanks for transportation and further processing. SAGD has several advantages over oil sands mining. SAGD production has less land disturbance and does not result in the creation of tailings ponds. However, SAGD requires large amounts of thermal energy to produce steam. Currently, the vast majority of this energy is provided by natural gas, making greenhouse gas emissions a key concern for the process. In addition, water use is another important concern. The SAGD process requires a significant amount of water, though 80 to 95% of the water used is recycled back into the process. Some SAGD operations also use saline water that is determined to be unsuitable for drinking or irrigation purposes in order to minimize the use of fresh water. That's in situ.